meghalayapost.news
มันเป็นคลันบอร์บัดกุมขวยกระทงบันยตรีลังนักบันตาบันคนเปอร์ชาอีกิKam LehnohบัดกิเวกิKam SniewหากิทันKhappudกิเฮชไปBSFบัดกิBGBหากจิงกินดุลังบัดเซาสีหันน้องบัชลงเลี้ยงบัก Inspector General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordinationกิเลชิมีการายเป็นตรีรังกันนักบันตาบันเปอร์ชาอีกิKam LehnohบัดกิเวกิKam SniewหากิทันKhappudกรีอินเดียบัดบังลาเทศIakhun Pyrshah ki HPI BSF bat BGB lapung kunno mtakasi hanong ba shilong kabade hedin kajing kendu ba sausngi kabakile thir yatai halor kilat ki lenti mno ban pendu jaj ki Kam Lehnoh bat ki Kam Sniew ki bakta ya imlang kasalang hagi tain kapun Iakhun hun HPI BSF lailam da IG Tripura Frontier upatel Piyush Purusottam Das bat UMD Shazador Raman, Additional Director General Region Commander U Chottogram Ubadei Ukli jong kakenhun cipai Bangladesh kabadon Khlaingwood hakene jelang kini cipai para Khappud bakentup ya BSF bat BGB lengba kane ke jeng lang kila soiru ya kata soskular balatip kum ka joint record of discussion kabakila shim ya karai banetroi rengkat Hakaban Iakhun Pyrshah ki Kam Lehnoh bat ki Kam Sniew hakatiga tain Khappud.
At the outset, I would like to welcome you all at Frontier Headquarters BSF Meghalaya and thank you all for your presence for coverage of Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB level Border Coordination Conference which was held in Shillong from 1st of July 2024. It is my honor and privilege to address you in the presence of His Excellency Mohammad Sajidur Rahman, Additional Director General, Region Commander, Chittagong, the head of 13-member Bangladesh delegation. Since 1st July, we have been engaged in productive discussions and have taken a significant steps towards enhancing our mutual friendship and mutual cooperation. Also, various issues regarding bilateral interests which will pave the way toward enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces were discussed at length. Further, special emphasis was given to focus issues particularly insurgent activities, various trans-border crimes including smuggling of contraband items, psychotropic drugs and narcotic substances, border violations and pending infrastructural and developmental works, besides common coordinated border management plan. During the deliberations, sincere commitment of both the border guarding forces in strengthening the existing robust cordial relations was re-emphasized to jointly evolve a viable solution to various bilateral issues being confronted by both the forces as creating an environment of peace and tranquility along the international boundary by amicably resolving them and to further strengthening the bond of friendship, mutual trust and cooperation. Embarking on the path of confidence building measures, the two border guarding forces of India and Bangladesh have been forging ahead in their ever-growing friendly relationship by participating in Inspectors General BSF and Region Commander BGB level coordination conference at regular intervals as per the tradition. The last such border coordination conference was held at Chittagong, Bangladesh in September 2023. Over the past few years, BSF and BGB have not only cemented their bond of friendship jointly, but have also acquired new dimensions in mutual trust and cooperation for resolving the bilateral border issues through meaningful dialogues at various commanders' level. The primary objective of this conference is to strengthen the existing mechanisms for border management, discuss issues of mutual concern and address them at various levels, explore new avenues for collaboration. Recognizing the importance of fostering goodwill and mutual understanding, we have discussed initiatives to promote cultural and sports exchanges between the BSF and BGB. These activities will not only build camaraderie but also enhance mutual respect and trust between our forces. I am pleased to inform you that our discussions have been conducted in the spirit of friendship, understanding and mutual respect. We have made considerable progress on several fronts, and I am confident that the agreement and understanding reached during this conference will lead to more robust and effective border management practices. Our shared vision of peaceful and secure border can only be realized through continuous dialogue and cooperation, and I look forward to further strengthening our partnership in coming months and years. Before I conclude, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the media for your continued support and for highlighting the significance of our efforts. Your role in disseminating accurate and timely information is very crucial in fostering a better understanding of the work we do to ensure the safety and security of our nations. Jai Hind, Jai Bangla.
I'm Mohammad Shafiqur Rahman, BGBM, Region Commander, Southeast Region, Chattogram. On behalf of all the members of Border Guard Bangladesh delegation, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Border Security Force authorities for inviting us here in this esteemed gathering in Shillong, India. We deeply appreciative of their warm welcome and exceptional hospitality extended to us. A visit to a neighboring country such as India is always joyous and enriching experience for us. Our two nations share profound cultural, historical, and heritage bond. We especially acknowledge the deep gratitude, the courageous contributions of Indian soldiers, including BSF soldiers, who fought valiantly alongside our freedom fighters during our liberation war. The BGP and BSF bear the sacred and demanding responsibility of maintaining peace and tranquility in the border. Engagement like this, characterized by friendly exchanges of ideas, are vital for resolving issues between our two border guarding forces. This conference and amicable discussion significantly strengthen our mutual understanding and collaboration, aiding us in achieving our common goals. During this session, we exchange views, ideas, and concepts on various border-related issues in congenial and lively environment, with the intent to enhance the existing friendly relation between our countries and our forces. We have discussed and agreed to bring the border killing to zero with the concerted effort of both the forces. We delved deeply into the critical border-related issues and committed to combating trans-border crimes. Both forces have reaffirmed our joint effort to address all aspects of trans-border crime and to enhance cooperation to prevent border violations and intrusions, ensuring legal action against perpetrators in accordance with our respective laws. We have also pledged to reduce border-related incidents to zero through concerted effort from both sides. Our discussion emphasized zero tolerance towards the smuggling of drug, firearm, explosive, and human trafficking. Both BGB and BSF has agreed to bolster existing preventive measures against such crime. We will take necessary actions to further sensitize the border population, increase vigilance in vulnerable areas, and share vulnerable information regarding drug, narcotics, arms dealer to achieve better outcome. Additionally, we have agreed to enhance confidence building measures between our forces through regular engagement and various events at different levels. We are pleased to have identified areas requiring amplified attention for our respective forces. The primary aim of this conference is not only to resolve the border-related issues, but also to develop and foster better understanding and relation between two border guarding forces. The positive gesture exhibited by BSF have strengthened our confidence. We firmly believe that outcome of this conference will further solidify the bond of friendship and traditional ties between our two forces. Long live Bangladesh India BGB BSF friendship. Thank you. Joy Bangla.
MeghalayaPost.news.